Make the best video you can and post it. That's it. That's how we're gonna grow our channel, y'all. We're gonna make the best video we can and we're gonna post it. We're not gonna dwell too much on the details for this video, but what we're going to do is we're gonna build momentum. We're gonna get our camera out, we're gonna set it up, and we're gonna record, we're gonna talk, we're gonna discuss, we're gonna share, we're gonna have a story time, we're going to review, we're going to post our notes, we're gonna do whatever it is that we feel we want to do, and we're going to record it on camera and publish it. That's it. That's how we're gonna grow our channels. We're gonna do that over and over again. And each time we record our video and publish it, we're gonna watch it. We're not gonna judge ourselves. We're gonna just allow ourselves to get comfortable with looking at ourselves and listening to ourselves. And we might take notes mentally, or we might physically take notes on a piece of paper or digitally in our phone. And we're going to note the things that we like. We're gonna note the things that we wanna improve on. And then we're gonna record another video. Maybe this time we change the scenery. We notice something in the background. We want to remove that. Or maybe there was something that needs to be in there. We're gonna add that. We're gonna say, hey, you know what? I should turn on the light for this next one. We're gonna turn the light on. We're gonna say, wow, I have a really nice voice. I should really dive into that. I should lean into that voice. We're gonna say, well, you know what? I noticed that I like this angle when I record. And we're gonna put that in the next video. We're gonna keep taking notes, keep doing these small things, and we're going to improve, and we're not gonna stop. We're not gonna stop. We're gonna keep doing improvements from what we see, from what our intuition is telling us. We're gonna trust ourselves, we're gonna trust our intuition, and we will improve, and we will be consistent, and we will get better and better each time. And that's how we will grow our channels, y'all. Thank you for watching. Hope y'all took something from this. Hey, shout out to all the rebels.